In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Squarespace in just a few minutes. Whether you've decided to move to a different platform, found a better solution, or simply don't need your website any longer, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. As obvious as this step may sound, it's crucial to start from the main website where all your account and subscription details are managed. Once you're there, please ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not automatically directed to the login page, look for the login button typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll see the Get Started button prominently displayed. Click on that button. It serves as the entrance to the main dashboard, where you can manage everything from your website's design to billing information. This step gets you to the central hub of your Squarespace environment. Next, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you need to locate and click on the Settings option. This section is, essentially, the control panel for your account, providing various management features, including billing, user permissions, and more. Once you're in the Settings section, look for the Billing option, which is typically coupled with subscription details. Click on Billing, and then proceed to Subscription. This area of the site is where you can find all things related to your payment details and subscription specifics, whether you're on a monthly or annual plan. In the Subscription section, identify the specific subscription you wish to cancel or change. If you have multiple subscriptions, be sure to select the one that's directly related to the website you want to quit. This ensures that you're modifying or canceling the correct service, preventing any unwanted service interruptions for other sites you may own. Now select the Cancel Subscription option. It's important to note that if you're currently on a free trial rather than a paid subscription, it will appear as Cancel Trial instead. This step is crucial to stop any further billing and indicate to Squarespace that you no longer need the service. Make sure you read through any potential prompts or follow-ups that might appear to confirm your decision. After you've canceled your subscription, return to your account dashboard and identify the specific website you want to deactivate. This section lists all websites you've created with this account and gives you control over what's active or not. Finally, click on the ellipsis next to the website you want to remove. This button usually appears as 3 dots and offers additional options, such as editing or deleting the site. Select Delete to remove the site completely from your account. Keep in mind, once you delete the site, recovering it can be complicated. Ensure that you truly want it gone before taking this irreversible step. And there you have it. You've successfully quit Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and if this guide helped you, feel free to share it or drop any questions you might have in the comments below.